This short training is on cleaning up product definitions. From the main menu, we have selected product definitions, and I'm going to select the very first screen, data or plant products and prices. In the plant products and prices, there are occasions when you may want to delete an item that has been defined in a previous time. So let's suppose, for example, you define something, and in this case we have duplicates that were erroneously imported into the system. So notice that I have the exact same plant in the exact same size, and I don't have a code on this one, and I would like to delete it. Now, whenever you're deleting a plant product, the plant products are tied to inventory and sales. The system protects you from deleting anything that has been used in a sale or an inventory item. So if I want to delete this, I can simply click in the little gray box on the far left. So that's this section right here, the gray box on the far left, and then the whole line highlights. Now I'm going to hit the delete key. When I hit the delete key, it says that there are existing inventory product items for this product. So if I've got an inventory count on this product, I certainly don't want to delete it. And it says that the associated items must be removed before this product can be deleted. So you can't have any inventory attached to it. You also can't have any sales attached to it. So you will get an error message like this that pops up and tells you to clean it up. If you still want to delete one of these items, then what you can do is you can come down here to Product Review. So I've highlighted an item, and I'm going to click Product Review, and it tells me what inventory item it is tied to. So my product ID is 146 on this particular inventory count. Now it looks like over here in my invoice history I have nothing, so I don't have anything either on master orders down here or single orders at the top. So the only thing I've got is one inventory transaction tied to this particular one. Now I think what I'll do is I'll check the duplicate. I may want to paste this code in. Notice the code right here, I'm not able to paste it in because that particular item, it won't let me paste in a duplicate of the code ID on this thing. These are supposed to be unique codes. So if I click on this one, let's suppose I copy this so it's on my clipboard. Let me try to delete this one. If I don't have any inventory attached to it, it'll let me kick it out. Oh, it looks like I've got something attached to this one as well. So if I click Inventory, this is product ID 2. Now what I can do is, since I've got some inventory attached to this one and some inventory attached to this one, and they're two different items, I can simply merge them together. So I can come to this one and look at the product review and say, oh, this is product 146. Let's just move it up to product 2. So remember that I just checked the one above it, and this one was product ID 2 and the other one is 146. So now I'm associating my inventory with this item, which is ID number 2, instead of this one below. So I just moved away from my screen here. So now that that's done, all I have to do is click Close in order to save that. So at this point, when I look back at my review on the other one, see, now I have nothing on it. It's clean. Whereas this one up above, I just moved the item to it, so now I have two inventory items that are both associated with that product. And so now I can go ahead and get rid of this duplicate item. All right, so that one is gone. Now it looks like I have the same problem with the one right below. So I'm simply going to repeat this. Oh, my mistake. I have this one is a 72 cell size and this one is a single size. So this would not be a duplicate. This one, however, right below it is a duplicate of this one. So in these two duplicates, I do need to clean those up. So as you're moving through and deciding that you may want to delete products in the past, consider these things. Another consideration is that if you delete something, it may remove it from the historical plant material that you have. Let's just suppose you're not selling it right now. If you're not selling it right now, then simply uncheck the sell box. So for example, if I don't want to sell this, it's in production, I have it, we're growing it, but it's not going to be ready for some time in the future. So because of that, I may just choose to uncheck it from sell. Then when we go into the invoice and we have it in our drop-down list, it will not display there, and it won't be a distraction since it's not going to be available anyway for some time. So then I can check it back at a time in the future. The same is true similarly with the active. Active, when I uncheck that, that removes it not only from the invoice drop-down box, but it also removes it from the inventory count drop-down box, so that when I'm counting the items, it won't be included. So if I'm growing it, but it's not going to be ready for sale for a while, it should be active but not sellable. If it's going to be both, then I just keep both checked. So this should be helpful in helping you clean this up. That'll be it for today.